Would you like to learn how you can get employers to find you? Well, listen to this video, and at the very end, I've got an amazing free offer for you for a LinkedIn profile checklist, and I'll show you how to find that. So listen in how you can get employers to find you on NutritionJobs.com. Want employers to find you? Follow the next few steps in this video tutorial. Did you know that there's lots of dietitian employers and recruiters looking for you right now on Nutrition Jobs? Here's how you can show up for your dream job. I'm Stacy with Nutrition Jobs, and here's how to let employers find you by creating your resume profile on Nutrition Jobs. First, go to nutritionjobs.com. Navigate to the resume profiles by selecting the person icon on the top right of your screen to either log in or to create your first profile. If you haven't yet created a profile, you will receive prompts to create your account to get started. And then voila! Now your first step is to upload a current photo of yourself. Recruiters like to put a face to a name when they have a large pile of candidates they are working with. I like to use the same informal headshot I use for my LinkedIn account so that my professional profiles are aligned. The most important section of your profile then is going to be your headline and your short bio. This is how employers will find you when they're searching for candidates to interview. By adding a little headline and a short bio, you can incorporate your keywords here that employers will be using to find someone like you with your qualifications, your background, your skill set, your experience, and aspirations, or where you see yourself working next. You can refer to your LinkedIn profile for this information. I like to use my LinkedIn headline for the headline and the first few paragraphs of my LinkedIn About Me section for my bio. And if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, then you know I love a formula for tough jobs like crafting your headline, whether it's for your LinkedIn headline or your resume profile headline on Nutrition Jobs. So there's three elements that go into crafting your headline, and that is your job title, keywords, and your signature achievement. So your job title can also be your role at the company you're at now or the type of service you provide, such as freelance nutrition writer. Then your keywords. These are related to the work that you're doing, such as content creator for health publications or SEO expert. Then you can include your unique value or your signature achievement or your industry expertise, such as author of SEO for Dietitians ebook. That's how you create your headline. Again, I'll mention this again, but do align your professional career story on your resume, your Nutrition Jobs resume profile, and your LinkedIn profile. Keep them all telling the same story. So if you want to work in a new area of focus, then include the term aspiring if you want to get a job in a new field. For example, if you're working in long-term care now, but are interested in outpatient diabetes counseling remotely, then you could include in your headline or your bio experienced dietitian and long-term care nutrition seeking opportunities in remote diabetes nutrition counseling or aspiring to work in diabetes nutrition counseling remotely. Then you can add your professional associations to include your involvement in professional groups, including your dietetic practice groups or the academy or Toastmasters or other local associations. This can really show your engagement, your initiative, and your leadership skills to the recruiters. This doesn't change much over time, so it's good to include this in this section here. Employers will contact you about a job via the email address you use to create your profile. If you want additional contact information for them to contact and connect with you quickly, then you can add that information as well. Just know that it'll be visible to employers who've logged in to view your profile. I like to include my personal mobile number. You can also include additional preferences here, like your openness to work remotely. Yes, please. And if you're open to relocation. There's also a section for you to add your online links, such as LinkedIn or your Twitter handle or your website or a link to a video. At a minimum, do add your LinkedIn profile URL. And if you're not sure where your LinkedIn profile link is or how to find it, here's how to do it. On the desktop version, go to LinkedIn, navigate to your profile by selecting the Me tab, then select View Profile, then copy the URL that shows in the browser. There's mine on the top left. To find that on your mobile, open your LinkedIn app, then select the three dots below your name next to the Add Section button. Then select Contact Information, and there you will see your profile URL that you can add to your NutritionJobs resume profile, and also do include that on your resume, down by your name and your contact information on your resume. That is how you can create a personalized URL as well, by selecting the pencil icon to make any changes to that. Moving on, now you can add your additional skills as keywords such as SEO or diabetes educator or intuitive eating or specific languages such as Spanish, specific computer programs such as SPSS or Echo EMR. Recruiters can sort for just these skills. You can include your work experience here taken directly from your resume or your LinkedIn profile. You can also include your education and certifications here, or leave blank and refer recruiters to your resume or LinkedIn profile. But the more keywords you can include in your profile, the better the chance you have of coming up in search results to qualify for a job interview. Same goes for your resume. You can upload a resume when you're applying for a job rather than uploading one here when you create your profile, because you want to make sure that it's up to date. Your last but most important step when making edits to your profile is to save your changes by clicking Update Profile. Then be ready to reply when recruiters email you or call you. Speed is important when staying competitive, so make sure your resume is updated and your LinkedIn profile is spiffy, and that you ask for a job description so that you can tailor your cover letter and any sections of your resume, specifically your professional summary section, to the job that you're interviewing for. You can scroll back to the top of your profile to select quick links for lots of options. You can see what jobs you've applied to. You can hide or reveal your profile. You can hide or reveal your contact information. And you can view your profile and see what the employers are seeing. And you can make any edits once you take a look at that as well. Alrighty. I can't wait to hear all about your job search success. I want to know all about it. If you want more help with your resume or your LinkedIn profile or interviewing, or you want to download our resume templates, go to NutritionJobs.com and navigate to courses. Be sure to download your free LinkedIn profile checklist from the homepage of Nutrition Jobs, both on the mobile device and on the desktop version. This is super important, and I hope that you do take advantage of this freebie. It helps if you subscribe to the Nutrition Jobs YouTube channel. We've got tons of dietetic career resources and tutorials. Click the little bell so that you get notified when the next tutorial is released. And do connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much. Bye for now.